Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. We are back with an LDK testing video. We are going to play some Game Boy Advance on the LDK. Oh, that doesn't sound very well. Alright, nevertheless, let's play some games and let's see how this thing is handling the Game Boy games. It's running a little bit choppy. It can be fixed with maybe other emulator. Oh yeah, that went very well. Oh my god, that's some wicked shit. Okay, this sounds pretty good. And this game runs just, I almost want to say perfect, but it runs pretty well. No weird glitches, no weird sound, everything is just fine. So, pretty damn cool. Alright. So oh, no, it's working. I was thinking that it was going to freeze. I kind of throw my grenade. Oh, this button. The shoulder bolts are mapped like the original one. No, you're not going to get away. Alright, so for the final conclusion, if it comes to the GBA, I just wanted to have this video or extended testing video out of the box, and in other words, just to emulate it as on this thing. There are some problems, there are some little hiccups, there are some problems with some games, but overall it's not bad at all. So this is what you're going to get. Maybe if you have another emulator that can run the couple of games that are having problems way better. If you have an idea, leave it in the comments. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel, because we have a lot of great content over there. See you next time. Bye bye.